Hello everyone, my name is Pranay and you are watching Pro Web Tips YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to install WordPress in Docker container, and today's video we are going to learn how to install WordPress from Bitnami stack. No need to extra container or application. You need to install just one application, then good to go. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, we are going to open our Chrome browser, then open bitnami.com, then click application. The first option you can see WordPress. You need to click here. After that, you need to select virtual machine or Windows, Mac or Linux. So I'm going to select Windows, Mac and Linux option because I want to install my local PC. So just click here and you will get the download link. So now click download for Windows. If you have Mac, then click for Mac. So just click here and it will start to download. I have already downloaded, so I am going to cancel it and I will open the download location. You can see I have already downloaded. Now I am going to install it. So just double click. Select the language, then hit OK. Now click next, then tick both of them, WordPress and PHP because this one will be your database, and click next. Then select the location. You can also create, and after that just click next and you should give your name. Enter your email address. Okay. Then give your username. You can give anything. I'm going to give admin. Then enter your password. Okay. Then click next. Okay. Blog name, you can give your blog name. Then click next. And if you want to configure your email support here, so you can configure, but I'm going to skip it. So click next. Then you can also install in cloud, so I'm not going to install, so untick here and click next and next. Okay, it will take little time.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, the installation is complete. Now you can launch Bitnami WordPress stack. Just click here to the finish, and now again open your browser and in a new tab type localhost and hit enter. You can now access your WordPress. Even you can also access your PHP MyAdmin. So we are going to access WordPress. So click here. Okay, now we are in the local website. Now you want to log in, so you should type wp login.php and hit enter. Now enter the username and the password. Okay, now we are in the dashboard of WordPress, and if you want to modify your Apache server or database, you should click the Windows Start menu and then find Bitnami WordPress Stack Manager tool. Okay, so scroll and you will find the folder Bitnami WordPress stack. Click here, and now you can see the stack here, Bitnami WordPress stack tool. Click here. Now you can see you can stop the services from here if you want to stop MySQL database or Apache server, and if you want to configure or restart, so you can do from here. That's it for this video. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.